What if one of the most iconic classic cars in history was reborn for the electric age? Imagine a design that respects the past, but looks like it came straight from the future. Today, we are reviewing the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, and by the end of this video, you might see Volkswagen in a completely new way. The 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is not just a car, it is a statement. From the very first glance, this vehicle tells you that it was designed to turn heads. The front end is sleek and aggressive, with ultra-slim LED lighting that stretches across the nose, giving it a futuristic signature. The illuminated Volkswagen badge adds a premium and modern feel while still staying subtle. Move to the side profile, and this is where the Karmann Ghia heritage really shines. The long, flowing roofline, the wide stance, and the sculpted body panels create a coupe silhouette that feels elegant and sporty at the same time. The designers clearly focused on aerodynamics, but they did not sacrifice beauty. Large wheels and low ground clearance give the car a planted, confident look, as if it is ready to launch forward at any moment. Now let us talk about the rear, because this might be one of the most striking angles of the car. A full-width LED light bar runs across the back, creating a clean and high-tech appearance. The rear design is minimal but powerful, with sharp lines and a strong lower diffuser area that hints at performance, even though this is likely an electric vehicle. The Karmann Ghia name displayed across the rear reminds us that this car carries a legendary badge into a new era. Step inside and the transformation is even more impressive. The interior feels like a luxury lounge mixed with advanced technology. The dashboard is dominated by a wide digital display that seamlessly integrates navigation, driving information, and infotainment. Everything is placed in a way that feels intuitive and driver-focused. The steering wheel has a modern squared design with touch controls, giving it a futuristic vibe while still feeling functional. Ambient lighting flows across the cabin, adding warmth and sophistication, especially at night. The seats are wrapped in premium materials, offering both comfort and support, making long drives something to look forward to. What is Volkswagen hiding under that elegant body? While official performance numbers may vary, it is clear that the 2026 Karmann Ghia is designed with electric power in mind. This means instant torque, smooth acceleration, and near-silent driving. Imagine pressing the accelerator and feeling the car surge forward effortlessly without engine noise, just pure motion. That experience alone could redefine what driving pleasure means for many people. Technology plays a huge role in this car. Advanced driver assistance systems are expected, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and possibly semi-autonomous driving features. The infotainment system appears to be highly responsive and customizable, allowing drivers to control everything from climate settings to driving modes with ease. How far can this beauty go on a single charge, and how fast can it recharge? While exact figures are not confirmed, Volkswagen has been heavily investing in battery technology, so expectations are high. If the Karmann Ghia delivers strong range and fast charging, it could easily compete with some of the best electric coupes on the market. What truly makes the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia special is its emotional appeal. This is not just about specs or numbers, it is about feeling. It connects nostalgia with innovation. It respects the past while confidently moving into the future. Few cars manage to balance that so well. So, who is this car for? It is for drivers who want something different. For those who appreciate design heritage but also want cutting-edge technology. For people who want their car to be a conversation starter every time they park it. As we wrap up, one question remains. Is the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia the future of iconic car revivals? If this is the direction automakers are going, then the future looks incredibly exciting. Let us know in the comments what you think about this modern interpretation of a classic. Would you drive it? Would you buy it? And do not forget to subscribe, like, and share for more in-depth car reviews just like this one.